Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your DeFi positions with Zerion Portfolio Snapshot detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Zerion website. Ensure you are logged into your Zerion account. Once logged in, locate the Portfolio tab on the main interface. Click on the Portfolio tab to view your current DeFi positions. In the Portfolio section, look for the Snapshot option usually found in the top right corner. Click on the Snapshot button to initiate the backup process. A pop-up window will appear displaying your portfolio summary. Review the details of your DeFi positions presented in the snapshot. If satisfied with the information shown, proceed to save the snapshot. Choose your preferred file format for the backup, such as PDF or image. Select the location on your device where you want to store the file. Click the Download button to save the portfolio snapshot to your device. Once downloaded, navigate to the location where you saved the file. Open the file to confirm that your DeFi positions have been backed up correctly. For added security, consider storing the snapshot in a cloud storage service. Regularly update and back up your portfolio snapshot to keep it current. Now you have successfully backed up your DeFi positions using Zerion. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.